Seamus McGrenra. I'm 72 since last week. I came to Claremorris in 1970, came in March, and I met Kathleen later that year. And as I say, the rest is history. Well, in 2006, I went to get my varicose veins done, and I had an angiogram, and it showed up that I had an irregular heartbeat. He did an echo, found that I had been born with a hole in my heart, and suggested that I should have a patch put on it because otherwise I would be more likely to get a stroke when I got older. So anyway, I went to the bathroom a couple of weeks later and had the mitral valve replaced. And after I had it done, I did a Croí exercise program where they monitored your exercise and told you what limits you could go to and what exercises were good and stuff like that. So that's how I got involved with Croí. Yes, they got in touch and they brought me along to that program, which I found very good, very beneficial.
Yeah, it was excellent.
Because there was dietary information and there was exercise stuff and all of that. But particularly being monitored doing the exercise was great. But my favourite part of the program was probably the exercise part of it, doing the exercises. Even though I enjoyed the talks on stress as well, because they bring your attention to a lot of things that you wouldn't have thought of yourself. Yes, I certainly would recommend people to get involved, yes. It brings a whole lot of ideas into your head that you hadn't thought about. Well, focusing the mind is probably the best part of it, to get people thinking and aware of it. And then when you do, you realise, there are things out there that you can be doing, and there are groups out there and organisations out there that can help you to do what you want to do. So yes, I think it's probably better for focusing the mind, actually, because once you get the mind focused, you can find the things to do and you will do them.
Whatever's to be done with your heart, get it done. Like as somebody says, they can do wonderful things with your heart today, so get it done.